Alright, and the camera's already upside down, of course. Alright, we're working on a 1973 Ford Ranchero 351 Windsor F7. Tore it down to the block.
Basically.
Yes.
Getting there, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we're basically there.
Basically there.
I'm about to F up this whole timing system.
We'll be okay.
Or we won't. Those are our options right now. We will or we won't.
Honestly, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah, today's Sunday, so I'm dressed like a lazy guy.
Yes. Not dressed in actual. Well, I'm kind of just always dressed in shop clothes, but.
Oh, I put my work pants on. Which, yes, are skinny jeans. So yeah. Everybody that looks up 351 Windsor is now going to see this video, aren't they? They're going to be like, I don't want to watch these people. They're too annoying.
Two annoying 16-year-old teenagers that actually know how to work on something old.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. That's how it works.
And we don't know how to edit, so deal with it.
Yeah, we don't do the whole editing thing. So this is all just one clip that's probably going to be at least 5 minutes long.
5, 10, 20,
who knows?
However long I can keep talking.
Which doesn't really ever last long with us.
Yeah, talking is not my specialty.
But engine hasn't been looking too bad though. It just needs.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Well, needs about everything.
Yes, we got gaskets and everything coming though.
The wrong ones.
Yes.
More than I doubt. I know there's probably a proper way to do this, but yeah, those vice grips seem to work.
Yes. Want to explain to the people what you're pulling out?
I don't even know what it's called. He probably does though.
I forget.
Yeah, we don't know. Well, so if you're looking for information, go to a different video.
Yeah, if you're looking for information, we don't really have it because we just kind of wing it.
Which is probably not the best idea. Like, probably all these actually are supposed to go to an individual cylinder.
Yes.
Shiz, but yeah.
Which this
probably not what happened.
This engine came out of a junkyard too.
Oh yeah, pick apart.
Just pick apart.
Everybody's gonna love hearing that.
Oh yeah, it's out of a '73 Ford.
That was not the original vehicle.
Yes. And
this could be a big pain in my arse. A lot of these are sticking. And vice grips don't hold on to about a centimeter of metal very well.
No, they don't. Oh, here's our big pile of absolutely everything. And then aren't we going to Edelbrock 4-barrel?
Hopefully. If I want to try running it stock two blower, but eventually it'll be 4-barrel.
Eventually.
Unless I can get 200 plus horsepower out of a 2-barrel.
Yeah.
And some nitrous, but that's the most important part.
People are gonna hate that word nitrous.
Why? I love that word.
I love the word too, but people just don't like the word nitrous these days.
Yes, we're filming this during the stupid coronavirus bullcrap fear.
We're in this coronavirus bullcrap with all the protesting and everything.
Yeah, the riot. It's right. Oh, yeah. This is during the riot period.
Yes, and the whole social distancing thing doesn't really happen in a garage, so.
Nope. You have no personal boundaries, nothing. So.
Yeah, when you're working on stuff like this, forget your personal boundary, because there's no such thing.
And I just broke vice grips. Never done that before. Yeah, it'll be fine.
Well.
Good thing that my dad's, not mine.
Yeah. Well. We'll update you guys on everything in the next video.
Water and oil.
Water in the oil as well.
He did sit out in the rain for like forever.
Yeah. So. But there will be an update in the next video on how this sits and how everything goes.
Yeah, it could be all together because we forget to video.
Yeah, we don't really do the whole technology thing. This is new. to us.
Yeah, we know how to use technologies, just not properly.
Yeah. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll update you on how it looks, and maybe if it runs, show you how it sounds. Probably won't be running for a while still, though, but
Forever.
we'll see you guys in the next video.